Hey guys, welcome to your quick market update. Today is Friday, December 27th. Hope you had a great Christmas. Right now, interest rates are sticking pretty high. A big part of it is unemployment is staying stiff right now. Even though the Feds are lowering rates right now, it's coming down to supply and demand. China and Japan are the biggest buyers of U.S. Treasuries typically. And now, because of the fears of inflation, the Fed's comments and things like that, we're just not getting the buyers out there to bring interest rates down. In fact, they've gone up since the Feds have started dropping rates. And the big reason is, again, we have to attract buyers. And the only way to attract buyers right now in a potential inflationary market is increase the yields on our treasuries. And that's in fact what's happening and why rates have actually gone up and not down since the Feds have started implementing it. The comments from Fed President Jerome Powell at their meeting a couple of weeks ago pretty much said that they thought the economy was strong. They reduced their predictions for interest rate drops next year from 1% to 0.5%. And of course, that's inflationary when you have a market that's really strong and they're concerned about inflation. So I feel like those things are potentially going to start moving down. One report that I'm watching specifically is continuing claims on the unemployment market. They're at some of the highest levels we've seen since November of 2021, over 1.9 million people that are still trying to find a job but just can't. So it's harder to find a new job once you get laid off. And I think that is going to continue. And that doesn't even take into consideration people that have lost their job, lost their benefits, 26 weeks on unemployment, and still can't find a job. They're not even being calculated in that number. So that number might be a lot higher than we think. Either way, interest rates have been flat for about the last week or so. Hopefully, we're going to start to see some new information coming out after the first of the year, see inflation taming down, which we think is going to start around February when we start to see the CPI in February. We should hopefully start to see some relief in interest rates as well. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have a fantastic weekend, and we'll talk to you next year.